Hey, this is Meridith Powell, and this week I'm coming to you from California. I'm out here shooting a new course on the LinkedIn Learning platform. And this week I want to talk about driving sales in 2024. Listen, I think that 2024 can be your best year on record. But if you want it to be, you better start now. And you need to start by updating your value proposition. Listen, 2024 will be a very different year. New challenges, new opportunities. And the products that you sell, they may be the same, but the problems that you solve, they'll be different. The only reason customers choose you over the competition is because they believe you can solve their problem better than they can. So you need to start right now and update your value proposition. Spend this next month out talking to customers, listening to them, figuring out what is important to them, what matters to them. Then use the problems and challenges they're having, reconfigure your products to solve their problems, and you are going to have a value proposition that is going to make 2024 your best year on record. You do that, you will turn all of this uncertainty into your greatest competitive advantage.